Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes. It's an easy and rewarding gardening project, perfect for beginners. First, you'll need some seed potatoes. Choose potatoes with visible sprouts. These are the best indicators of healthy growth. Next, you'll need some soil. For optimal results, mix your soil with ash, rice husks, and coir. This mixture will improve soil drainage and aeration, creating the perfect environment for your potatoes. Fill your growing bags with this enriched mix. Now we take 2 plastic bottles and cut them out. Then connect them and punch small holes. Next, add more of your soil mixture around the potato sections. To help your potato plants grow tall and strong, we'll add upcycled plastic bottles with drainage holes. These will act as supports as the plants mature. Now let's prepare the bags. Create small openings in the growing bags using scissors or a sharp knife. Gently place the cut potato pieces into these openings. Water your plants regularly. You should see sprouts emerging within 10 days. Within 30 days, your plants will have grown considerably. After 3 months, you will have abundant, delicious potatoes ready to harvest. It's time to harvest your bounty. Gently remove the potatoes from the bags, making sure not to damage the tubers. Wash your potatoes and prepare them for your favorite meal. You can easily prepare these potatoes by washing them, peeling them, and cutting them into wedges. Then you can enjoy crispy, delicious fried potatoes. Enjoy your delicious homegrown potato fries. Happy gardening.